Can you believe there are YouTube channels right now with barely any subscribers? But they're pulling in millions of views just by posting a few tiny AI-generated disaster videos. And the craziest part, these videos look like miniature Hollywood movie scenes in real life. But they're actually made using free AI tools in just a couple of minutes. If you're into powerful AI tools that can save you time and even help you make money online, make sure to subscribe to Jacky AI Flow right now. And seriously, watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to show you how people are mass producing these viral AI shorts without needing advanced editing skills. Lately, I've been seeing a brand new style of content absolutely blowing up on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. It's called miniature ASMR world videos. These tiny disaster scenes feel insanely realistic, and that's exactly what keeps people watching. You'll see miniature cities getting flooded, tiny rescue teams surviving wildfires, or little subway stations collapsing during storms. And somehow it all looks real enough to make people stop scrolling instantly. That "wait, is this actually real?" feeling is what makes these videos so addictive. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process I personally use to create these viral miniature AI videos from start to finish. And don't worry if you're completely new to this stuff. I'm going to keep everything super beginner friendly and easy to follow step by step. We're going to use ChatGPT for generating ideas, an AI video generator for creating the clips, and CapCut to put everything together. Most of these tools have free versions, so you can literally start today without spending money. Alright, first thing, I'm opening ChatGPT. I already prepared a custom master prompt designed specifically for creating viral miniature rescue videos. All you have to do is copy the full prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT starts generating a bunch of crazy cinematic video ideas automatically. And the cool thing is, every idea already feels perfect for viral shorts content. Now I'm going to pick one idea that I like. I simply copy that single idea and paste it back into ChatGPT again. This is where the magic happens. ChatGPT takes that simple concept and transforms it into a full cinematic AI video prompt. Everything is optimized for AI video generation. Next, I'm opening my AI video generator. In this example, I'm using Flow AI. Once the dashboard opens, I create a new project. For the model, I usually pick the cinematic quality option for more realistic visuals. Then I switch the video format to 9:16 so it fits perfectly for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Quick tip here, when you're starting out, don't generate too many versions at once. I usually keep it at just one generation first to quickly test the idea. Then I paste the prompt from ChatGPT into the prompt box and hit generate. And honestly, this is the most satisfying part. After just a few seconds, the AI starts building an entire miniature world from scratch. Tiny people running through disasters, water flooding the streets, sparks flying everywhere, smoke, debris, emergency lights. It all feels weirdly realistic. That macro realism look is exactly why these videos perform so well online. People love content that feels visually immersive and oddly satisfying at the same time. Once you finish your first clip, you basically repeat the same workflow over and over again. That's why some creators are uploading dozens of shorts every single day. And honestly, that's the real power of this niche. These videos are only a few seconds long, but they hold attention insanely well. And if you know anything about the Shorts algorithm, watch time and retention are everything. After generating all the clips, I open CapCut. Then I import everything into the timeline. Try not to over-edit these videos too much. The miniature ASMR style actually works better when things feel natural and realistic. Sometimes simple ambient sound effects and light color adjustments are more than enough. Once everything looks good, I export the final video in 4K to keep that sharp cinematic quality. And that's pretty much the full process I use to create viral miniature AI videos using free tools. Honestly, this is one of the most exciting AI niches right now if you want more videos about viral AI prompts, automation workflows, AI side hustle ideas, and powerful tools that can help you grow online. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to Jacky AI Flow and comment below. What do you think about this AI niche? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.